The correct answer is letter A. Stand mixer.
The correct answer is letter B. Spatula.
The correct answer is letter C. Air fryer.
The correct answer is letter C. Saucepan.
The correct answer is letter A. Pasta spoon.
The correct answer is letter B. Napkins.
The correct answer is letter C. Chef's knife.
The correct answer is letter A. Thermos.
The correct answer is letter A. Slotted spoon.
The correct answer is letter C. Sink.
The correct answer is letter B. Cake pan.
The correct answer is letter B. Dishwasher.
The correct answer is letter A. Mug.
The correct answer is letter A. Bowl.
The correct answer is letter C. Pitcher.
The correct answer is letter A. Fork.
The correct answer is letter B. Glass.
The correct answer is letter C. Waffle maker.
The correct answer is letter A. Plate.
The correct answer is letter B. Muffin tin.
Hey English Go Getter, you finished the quiz. Don't forget to download the free worksheet for extra practice. And share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And I'll see you in the next video.